Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to our color correction by pressing a volume up button and a side button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility options here, and under Advanced Settings we have a few options, but we are interested in side and volume up. As you can see right now we have color inversion under this shortcut, but let's turn it off and let's use color correction instead. So let's see if it works. So side button and volume up button. Yes, it does work. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.